LMS Nordic is based in Gothenburg, Sweden, in the Nordic Peninsula, in Northern Europe. Advanced Energy Solution represents LMS Nordic in India. We are the first to introduce web-based leakage management in 2002. It is the world's most used system for leakage management. Internationally located. Completed more than 8,000 fully documented projects. Successfully identified more than 3 million leakages in the industry. LMS conducts comprehensive programs, module-wise to systematically identify, report and subsequently repair leakages in the system. This results in a gradual improvement in efficiency of production, lesser breakdowns of critical equipment, and tangible costs savings. These are some well-known brands which have successfully implemented LMS programs and are benefiting by energy savings in their plants. These programs are conducted year on year. First, it is important to find the potential areas where we should look at to save energy. The experience of LMS Nordic project management team and data collected from various agencies have found that maximum savings in compressed energy is achieved by leakage management. Now the question is, how much do a leak cost? It is obviously good to have an idea of the value of a leakage. But it is probably more important for the client to understand what the cost implications are, not finding some leakages. This table shows the value of one leakage for a plant which is operating 24/7 in normal operating conditions. Of course, it is a matter of simply adding all the leakages to arrive at the sum total of revenue loss being incurred by the plant under these circumstances. Subsequent to leakage management program conducted at various locations worldwide, we have found that ROI on leakage management on an average is less than 6 months compared to others. There are 3 parameters which limits the calculation of waste of energy in compressed air system. First is financial. It is difficult to measure the cost of compressed air energy. Second parameter is technical, where it is a challenge to calculate the volume of air leaving or being wasted in a running plant. Third is information, where the user does not know what parameters to measure to determine energy consumption. Now the question is, how do you get to the potential? Compressed air management can be covered in 3 programs, that is, operation, leakage management, and optimization, out of which operation and leakage management will give you maximum return on investment with minimum interval of time. Cost-reducing approach consists of systematic understanding of compressed air cost. A plant that has never undergone a focused program on leakage management stands at level 1. After the evaluation and subsequent rectification procedures, the plant can reach higher levels. Level 1 consists of no measurement and monitoring, causing highest leakage, whereas level 4 consists of consistent monitoring of compressed air, thus causing minimal leakage. For monitoring and measuring of compressed air systems, we need to first measure the following parameters: flow, temperature, pressure. Second parameter is dew point. Third parameter is power consumption and energy efficiency. Survey and repair provides the answer to the real cost of leakages. This table shows the potential savings that were identified by us when the LMS leakage survey was conducted. This clearly shows the value of the LMS program for industries using large amounts of compressed air. A permanent monitoring program helps the user to have a real-time view of the critical parameters of the system. Any deviation in them is a direct indication of a process failure, and helps prevent any major breakdowns in the future. In the end, the LMS system saves not only major costs incurred by leakages in the system, but also prevents major breakdowns which could be caused due to unreliable maintenance practices being followed by the industries.